Hey, Mr. YouTube. Hey guys, here's something you don't see every day.
Yeah, Dad,
Junior here, with Mr. Happy Pants here. We picked up this jewel, and look at this.
you. Would you buy half?
By the time you get the shop bill, I'll load half this some. Here's a mouse nest in there. Look at that. She's filled right up in that. I've never seen that before.
Hey, I need you to.
It's either mouse nest or clutch. I think it's mouse nest though. I don't know how that mouse got in there. I think right here that there was no slave cylinder on it for 100 years, and that's where he moved in. But I tell you what, the other problem is right here. Look at me. This is the other problem.
Can you please?
See right here?
I know you're doing something right now, but I really need you to hold
Right
that
here?
ratchet strap.
It got in behind the disc here, and all back there covered it up, and it won't close the disc. I don't think there's anything the matter with it. We'll peel it apart and see. Junior here is worried about his precious transmission that might fall on the ground. Look at me.
Who are you talking to?
You.
Hey, hold the ratchet strap.
No.
So we're gonna pressure wash your shirt. Come on. Okay. I'm happy. And I got it.
Are you? What's that? You happy?
Yeah.
Anyways,